Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best phones that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Meet the Motorola Razr 2025, a stylish foldable smartphone with a modern clamshell design, powerful performance, and a large 6.9-inch foldable display running Android 15, built for users who want both innovation and portability. Priced at $564.99, the Razr 2025 sits in the upper mid-range foldable segment. For a foldable phone, this is strong value, offering premium design, flagship-like features, and dual-display convenience at a relatively accessible price. 6.9-inch foldable main display with 2640 by 1080 resolution and 120Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals. Large external cover screen, 1056 by 1066, for notifications, selfies, and quick apps without opening the phone. 50MP main camera for detailed, sharp photos with improved low-light performance. MediaTek Dimensity 8200 chipset delivering solid mid to high performance for multitasking and gaming. 8GB RAM for smooth daily usage and app switching. Android 15 with a clean, modern software experience. Pantone Spring Bud color gives it a unique, premium aesthetic. Classic flip phone folding design that improves portability and pocketability. Pros: premium foldable design at a relatively affordable price. Smooth 120Hz dual displays. Strong 50MP camera for the category. Compact when folded, large when open. Cons: battery life may be average due to foldable form factor. Not as powerful as flagship Snapdragon foldables. Durability still more delicate than standard slab phones. Limited storage/RAM options compared to flagship rivals. Number 4. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, a premium next-gen foldable smartphone featuring a massive 8-inch inner display, flagship Snapdragon 8 Elite power, and advanced AI tools built for productivity, creativity, and multitasking on a whole new level. Priced at $864.99, this is positioned as a high-end foldable flagship. Considering the specs, large AMOLED screen, top-tier chipset, and 512GB storage, it delivers strong value compared to most ultra-premium foldables in the market. 8-inch dynamic foldable display with 2560 by 1440 resolution and 120Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth visuals. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite, 3.53 to 4.47 GHz, for elite-level performance in gaming, multitasking, and AI tasks. 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage for heavy apps, media, and productivity workflows. AI-powered features, including AI photo editing, smart organization, and productivity enhancements. Advanced camera system with AI optimization for sharper, more balanced photography. Optimized battery system designed for long usage on large dual display setup. Runs Android 16 with One UI 8, offering refined multitasking and foldable specific UI improvements. Premium silver shadow finish with a sleek, modern flagship design. Pros: extremely powerful Snapdragon 8 Elite performance. Large, immersive 8-inch foldable display. Strong multitasking with One UI optimization. Huge 512GB storage plus 12GB RAM combo. Advanced AI features for photos and productivity. Cons: expensive compared to non-foldable flagships. Foldable design still more fragile than traditional phones. Battery life can vary with heavy multitasking. Bulkier than standard smartphones when folded. Number 3. Meet the Samsung Galaxy S26, a sleek next-generation Android flagship featuring a compact 6.3-inch display, powerful performance, and Galaxy AI features designed for smooth everyday use, photography, and smart productivity. Priced at $799.99, the Galaxy S26 sits in the premium flagship range. With 12GB RAM, 256GB storage, and the latest Android 16 plus One UI 8.5, it offers strong value for users who want high-end performance in a more compact design. 6.3-inch immersive display for sharp, comfortable one-hand viewing. High-performance processor, flagship level, for fast gaming, multitasking, and AI tasks. 12GB RAM plus 256GB storage for smooth performance and solid space for apps and media. Galaxy AI features for smart photo editing, productivity, and system optimization. Durable battery life designed to last through a full day of heavy use. 5G connectivity for ultra-fast downloads and streaming. 120Hz refresh rate for fluid scrolling and responsive animations. Runs Android 16 with One UI 8.5, offering a clean, modern, and feature-rich experience. Premium sky blue design with a stylish flagship finish. Unlocked for all carriers, giving full flexibility. Pros: compact yet powerful flagship design. Smooth 120Hz display with great everyday usability. Strong AI features for camera and productivity. Large RAM for future-proof performance. Clean, updated One UI experience. Cons: storage limited to 256GB, no expansion mentioned. No ultra-premium camera details provided. Smaller screen may not suit users who prefer large displays. High price compared to mid-range alternatives. Number 2. Meet the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, a premium ultra-flagship foldable phone featuring a massive 8-inch display, powerful performance, and next-gen Galaxy AI tools built for productivity, entertainment, and multitasking at the highest level. Priced at $1,699.99, this is a true ultra-premium foldable. While expensive, it targets power users who want tablet-like functionality, top-tier storage, 512GB, and flagship performance in one device. 8-inch dynamic foldable display with ultra-high-resolution visuals and 120Hz refresh rate for smooth scrolling. High-end processor with speeds up to 4.47 GHz for elite gaming, multitasking, and AI processing. 12GB RAM plus 512GB storage for heavy workloads, apps, and media storage. Advanced Galaxy AI features, including AI photo editing and smart productivity tools. Flagship-level camera system enhanced with AI optimization for sharper, more detailed images. Long battery life optimization designed for large dual-screen usage. Runs Android 16 with One UI 8, optimized for foldable multitasking and split-screen workflows. Fully unlocked for all carriers, offering flexibility worldwide. Premium blue shadow finish with a sleek, modern foldable design. Pros: massive foldable display ideal for productivity and media. Extremely powerful performance for multitasking and AI. Large 512GB storage capacity. Strong software optimization for foldables. Premium build and design. Cons: very expensive at $1,699.99. Foldable design still more fragile than standard phones. Battery life depends heavily on large screen usage. Bulky compared to regular smartphones. Number 1. Meet the OnePlus 15, a next-gen flagship Android smartphone built for extreme speed, massive battery life, and ultra-smooth performance with a premium 165Hz display. Priced at $999.99, the OnePlus 15 sits in the premium flagship category. With 16GB RAM, 512GB storage, and top-tier Snapdragon power, it delivers high-end performance at a lower cost than many ultra-flagships. 6.78-inch high-resolution display, 2772 by 1272, for sharp and immersive viewing. Powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, up to 4.61 GHz, for elite gaming and multitasking. 165Hz refresh rate for ultra-smooth scrolling and competitive gaming response. 16GB RAM plus 512GB storage for heavy multitasking and massive app/media space. Huge 7,300 mAh battery for extended all-day and beyond usage. Dual SIM unlocked Android 16 for flexibility across networks. Premium infinite black design with a sleek flagship finish. Optimized performance system for sustained speed under heavy load. Pros: extremely fast Snapdragon flagship performance. Massive 7,300 mAh battery, excellent endurance. Smooth 165Hz display. Huge RAM and storage combo. Strong value compared to ultra-premium rivals. Cons. Large battery may increase weight and thickness. Camera details not specified, uncertain consistency. High-performance chipset may generate heat under long gaming sessions. Premium price still close to other top flagships. If you're looking for a speed-focused powerhouse with massive battery life, the OnePlus 15 by OnePlus is worth checking out. Check the link in the description for latest deals. Like, share, and subscribe for more smartphone breakdowns and comparisons.